Birds, written by Chuck Confano. The pangolin has a big long beak. There is a deep sack of skin under its beak. The sack holds fish that the pangolin can scoop up from the water. This bird is a roadrunner. It lives in the desert and spends most of its time on the ground. It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs. The roadrunner runs very fast to get its food. The toucan lives in the rainforest. It has a big, colorful beak. It uses its beaks to pick fruit from trees. This big bird is an emu. It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a large body, but it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. The puffin eats small fish. It is short and fat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of the time in the sea. They swim under the water with their wings. Most owls come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see in the dark. Their feathers are very soft. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in one place when they fly. They use their long beak and tongues to get food from flowers. Eagle flies high above the ground. They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land and water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their feet and beaks to cut food and rip it apart. Cockatoos have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts. Cockatoos live in large groups. They can be very loud. Vultures eat dead animals. Many have no feathers on their heads. Many have big holes in their beaks. The holes help them to smell food from far away.